wants to say something.
We are in Tamuros in Fort Santiago. Hi everyone, and this is our photographer, Paco.
My mind went blank. I just
I got this.
Nice. Hold on. So ito medyo ano, mano-mano. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Nice. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Medyo dito ka sa side na to. There we go. Nice. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Vertical. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. Nice. I'm gonna go down here so my steps dito. Ayan. Just 1, 2, 3. Perfect. That looks cool.
Oh, my koi.
Nice. 1, 2, 3. Look out ulit yung ginawa mo kanina. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Let's do that again one more time. Hindi siya nag-star kanina. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Okay. Cool. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Nice. 1, 2, 3. Nice. She could have you.